Tenax Multipurpose Net is a versatile premium strength net that is lightweight and black in color with small mesh openings at approximately 3/4 of an inch by 1 inch and has a strength of 308 pounds per foot, making it perfect for multiple applications. Its available and roll dimensions are 2x25, 2x50, 3x25, 3x50, and 4x25 and 4x50. Multipurpose net applications are wide. It can be draped over trees, bushes, or plant beds, used as an upright barrier to protect ponds, gardens, and flower beds. Also used as a leaf collection blanket or used anywhere a barrier net is needed and easily installed and reused. Installing multipurpose net is easy. For an upright application, first cut the net to desired length. Place a support post every 4 feet around the area multipurpose will be installed. Attach net to each post with fence ties, pulling the ties to ensure a clean install. Between each post, install 2 tent-style stakes, pulling net tight to the ground. For a draping application, first cut the net to desired length and drape over area needing protection. Then use tent-style stakes to secure net to the ground and hold in place. For more information, follow us on Facebook or visit our website at tenaxus.com.